Today is a special day, my RC friends from all over the world. Today is a special day because this is a world premiere and it is a brand new radio, and without further ado, let's start and have a first look at it. To the rhythm! So what I got here is the brand new Flysky radio from the Chinese manufacturer Flysky. This is really a cool one, I think. I heard about it and they told me that this is a cool one, and we will see how cool it is. It comes in this really nice case. I love it when things just are in a case. This looks pretty awesome and it is quite heavy. So well made, and right here you see the name. It says Flysky, the manufacturer. And without further ado, let's have a close look into it. So let's open the case. And what do we see here? The first look, and you were the first ones to see it. I did it in my live stream already yesterday, but this is the real review right now, the first impressions of this box. So it has Flysky, the world's pioneer in radio and smart controls industry, and it is the Paladin radio. Let's get it out of the box. Holding the camera and doing this is not that easy. So this is the radio. Looks pretty awesome. Really nice. All the switches. Display is quite huge. Really good. And by the way, it's not that heavy. This is cool, because you always have to have in your mind when you're playing the whole day with your RC trucks, the transmitter can become very heavy, and this one isn't heavy. So before we have a close look at the radio, I will just leave it there. Let's check what also is in the box. So there is a quick start guide. In English, tells you the main functions, quite good. I also have, there's in Chinese, but right at the beginning it's in English, giving you some details, explaining how to power on and etc. I also have a PDF, the manual has a PDF. And so this is the plate from the radio. This is a 8-channel receiver, and what you see here is this is really small. This is really small. Cool. This is cool. Yeah. Because when you have a small model, you have no problems with space. Cool. So this is an 8-channel receiver. What else is here? This is even a bigger one. I guess this is a 12-channel, but we will check later. And some cables. Okay. What's in here? Another 8-channel receiver. Yeah. Okay. And right here there's a neck holder. Oh my gosh, this looks pretty awesome. Made out of aluminum. Yeah. Really cool, and you can use it around your neck. This is cool. Okay, neck holder. So what else is in there? This is a big one. This is a pallet. So this means that this is a pallet and you can put your radio in there. This is cool. When you, for example, you're controlling an excavator, you can just use a neck holder, put it around your neck, and then the radio is in this pallet. This is cool. Let's open it. And let's see what's in there. Oh my gosh, this is cool. Just let me do it a bit bit better. I will put it right here on the desk. So these things are all parts. This is cool. This is really cool. And it is, by the way, it is out of aluminum, made out of aluminum, and it is very light. And the screws. Cool. I will show you how it looks when this thing is sitting in the pallet. I think this looks quite good. Really cool. Really cool. Looks pretty good. Okay. So what else is in the box? So there's also this package in there. And I think I know what it is. I heard about it. Yeah, there's a USB cable. And there is this stand. And this is for charging the radio. Isn't this cool? This looks pretty awesome. And this is really cool. This is wireless charging. This is wireless charging. See? You just put the radio without connecting it. There's no plug needed. There's no plug. You just put it right there. And then this thing will be charged. Isn't this cool? This is high tech, I guess. So let's now comes the moment. Let's turn on the radio and look what it looks like. So I think Flysky is known for, you have to push both buttons to start it. So these are the power buttons. Now it's starting. And this really looks nice. Can you see these blue rings right here? And the blue over there. And the display is really cool. It's nice. Is it a color display? I think so. And it is really cool. You can hold it very good in your hands. Yeah. And these knobs are cool because they have these functions. You can also turn it like this, and you have additional buttons on top. And what is missing maybe, but we will check it with the model later, you don't have these sticks in the middle of the radio, but you can use these ones. And I guess that this is cool. You can hold it, and you can also use these ones. For example, when you're playing with an excavator, you can move the tracks without losing contact to the sticks. This is cool. So the first impression is pretty good. It's really pretty good. And the question is, by the way, some stickers also in there for the pallet. By the way, the question is, what about the software? How is it to play with it? This might be really interesting. And this is what I'm looking forward to. How to play with, how to control your model with this radio. But the first impression is pretty good. And by the way, I did not check the price until now. Maybe if you found it already in the net, in the worldwide net, then put it in the comments section below, because I think that this has a really good price ratio. This is really, you can get it at a good price, and so far it's much cheaper than other well-known radios on the market. But let's see how it works in real life. So far I'm going to use, I guess, the 12-channel receiver in one of my RC trucks, and then let's see how it will work. So my friends, this was a really quick unboxing, and we will have a close look into this radio in one of my upcoming videos. I'm really excited to see how it works, how the controls are, how it feels to play your RC truck, to control your RC truck with this radio. And I'm also excited to see what kind of functions are included. Does radio have the functions that we need when we are controlling an excavator, a crane, a dozer, an RC truck, or what else? So far, I'm really excited to look forward to it. I will use it for RC truck you do not know at the moment. We will have an unboxing of the RC truck, and then I will just use this radio for this RC truck. But this will come in the next videos. But it will not take too long. I guess in the next 2 or 3 weeks this will happen. So far, really excited. First impression is really good. Small receivers, by the way. This is cool because as I said, no space problems. And the wireless charging mechanism is really nice. And by the way, what you can see here is that these rings can change the color. I do not know yet what it means, but this is really cool. So this is seems to be a really state-of-the-art transmitter, and I'm happy to see how it works in the upcoming videos. So I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please put a comment in the box below. If you like the video, thumbs up would be really nice. I highly appreciate it. And there's a thing I will tell you in one of my upcoming videos, because you get the chance to get this radio, a similar one, as a giveaway. But this will be announced in one of my upcoming videos. So have a good time, stay safe, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.